Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. This is part 2 of Nissan CVT transmission issues, how Altima and Rogue owners can spot trouble early. In this part we'll look at tips for preventing damage, maintenance steps, and what to do if your CVT starts acting up. Let's continue. Financial burden of repairs. Replacing a Nissan CVT isn't cheap. Out-of-warranty repairs can cost thousands, depending on labor rates and whether you choose new, rebuilt, or used units. Even minor fixes add up quickly. Fluid flushes. Neglecting these accelerates wear, but dealerships charge hundreds per service. Solenoid replacements. An expensive job if fluid contamination damages these valves. Cooling system upgrades. Some owners spend extra on aftermarket coolers to prevent overheating. The real kicker. Many failures happen just outside warranty coverage. A transmission failing at 65,000 miles leaves you footing the bill, even if you followed maintenance schedules. For used car buyers, pre-purchase inspections are a must. A neglected CVT could turn your great deal into a money pit. Nissan's response and warranty coverage. Nissan has acknowledged CVT issues in models like the Altima and Rogue, but their response has been a mixed bag for owners. While some benefit from extended warranties, others find themselves stuck with hefty repair bills. Here's how the company has handled claims and what it means for drivers. Extended warranty programs. Nissan offered extended warranty coverage for certain CVT models, but the details matter. Some Altimas and Rogues received extended coverage, stretching protection up to 10 years or 120,000 miles, whichever comes first. Key limitations to know. Model year restrictions. Not all vehicles qualify. Check your VIN with Nissan to confirm coverage. Component limits. Some warranties only cover specific parts, like the transmission control module, not full replacements. Strict maintenance requirements. Skipping fluid changes or using non-approved shops can void coverage. Even with these programs, many owners report pushback from dealerships. Some say Nissan denies claims for minor maintenance gaps or blames failures on normal wear. If you're within the extended window, stay on top of paperwork and service records in case you need to fight for coverage. Consumer satisfaction and legal actions. Frustration with Nissan CVTs led to lawsuits, with owners arguing the company knew about defects but didn't act quickly enough. A class action settlement covered some Rogue and Pathfinder models, offering reimbursement for repairs or buybacks for repeated failures. What came out of these cases? Nissan extended warranties for some models, as mentioned above. Reimbursements were available, but owners had to navigate strict deadlines and paperwork. The settlements didn't force Nissan to admit fault, leaving many feeling unresolved. Forums and review sites still fill up with complaints about denied claims or transmissions failing just outside coverage. Some owners cut their losses by trading in or installing rebuilt units, but for many, the trust in Nissan's CVTs is long gone. If you're dealing with a failing transmission, check Nissan's warranty portal or consult a lemon law attorney. Past settlements show Nissan can be pushed to compensate owners, but it often takes persistence. Tips for Nissan Altima and Rogue owners. If you drive a Nissan Altima or Rogue with a CVT, staying ahead of transmission issues can save you from costly repairs. While these models have their quirks, proactive care can extend their lifespan. Here's what you need to know to keep your transmission running smoothly. Preventive maintenance. Ignoring your CVT's needs is a surefire way to invite trouble. Regular maintenance may not prevent every issue, but it can delay major problems. Focus on these key habits. Fluid changes. Nissan CVTs rely on specific fluid to lubricate and cool the belt and pulleys. Skip this, and wear accelerates fast. Most mechanics recommend a drain and fill every 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Avoid full flushes, they can dislodge debris and clog sensitive parts. Driving habits. CVTs hate extreme stress. Avoid aggressive acceleration, frequent towing, or running the engine at high RPMs for long periods. Smooth driving reduces strain on the transmission. Cooling system checks. Overheating kills CVTs faster than anything else. Ensure your radiator and transmission cooler, if equipped, are functioning properly. Some owners add aftermarket coolers for extra protection. Sticking to the maintenance schedule in your owner's manual is the easiest way to avoid surprises. If you've bought a used Altima or Rogue with no service records, assume the worst and get a fluid change immediately. When to seek professional help. Some CVT problems start small but quickly snowball. Waiting too long can turn a fix into a replacement. Watch for these red flags. Unusual noises. Whining, grinding, or clunking sounds during acceleration signal belt or pulley wear. These won't fix themselves. Delayed engagement. If your car hesitates before moving after shifting into drive or reverse, the transmission is struggling. Burning smells. Overheated fluid has a distinct burnt odor. Pull over and check for leaks or smoke. Limp mode. If your dashboard lights up with a transmission warning and your car refuses to shift properly, the system is protecting itself, barely. Ignoring these signs means risking a full breakdown. A trusted mechanic familiar with Nissan CVTs can diagnose issues early. If repairs are inevitable, weigh the cost of rebuilding versus replacing. Sometimes a used transmission is the smarter financial move. The bottom line. Stay on top of maintenance and act fast when trouble arises. Your Altima or Rogue CVT might never be bulletproof, but careful ownership can keep it on the road longer. Nissan's CVT transmissions in the Altima and Rogue deliver efficiency but come with a downside. Shuddering, overheating, and premature wear. Many drivers face costly repairs well before hitting 100,000 miles. Staying ahead of maintenance, like regular fluid changes and gentle driving, can help delay the inevitable. If your Altima or Rogue shows early symptoms, hesitation, strange noises, or limp mode, don't ignore them. Early action could save thousands. Have you dealt with Nissan CVT issues? Share your story in the comments, or reach out to a trusted mechanic if you suspect trouble. Knowledge and quick action make all the difference. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.